So what do you do when you have a round that doesn't go off? You have ammo you don't want or don't need, or maybe you had a light primer strike, or you find one on the ground out in the shooting range and you just leave it there, throw it over the edge of the bank? No. A couple options. You can take them to an ammo dump. A lot of police stations have those. Call ahead and say you've got some ammo you need to turn in that you don't want it. Maybe it's real old. Maybe you found it in your attic. Who knows? Well, that's one option. Another option, this is called the pile driver. I'll show you how that works. Get your round here. This happens to be 40 caliber. Okay. Insert it into the, I guess we'll just call that the jig. See if I can zoom you in here a little bit. Yeah, it won't cover it. All right. Here's what you do. There you go. The bullet and the powder, they're gone. That's how I take care of it.